There may be a dip, and then it will be good if we get a dip and then they make a move. Otherwise, it will be tight. 23,800 call. Just keep these two. So Chedu, you're not selling options now. You're only buying option, but you're part of the other batch also, I think. This is a buying position or selling? Only buy. Okay. Right. Okay. Yeah, I'm looking for a dip, guys. It's around a major resistance. This is where it is opening. So I look for a dip and then we can buy. Yeah, so in case if you're trading put option, trade Nifty. And if you are trading call option, once you get it at your level, then we can look for Sensex. Because put will be like slightly against the market sentiment. Okay. Just going. You can just put at 153. 153. Just looking for a dip at that level. So Nifty it is, not Sensex. Arey yaar, 20. Sorry, made a mistake. I got Sensex. I wanted to try this one. Yeah, it's a good rejection. Taken this at 225. Yeah, by mistake, I've taken this one, but only 20 quantity I got. But it is giving very good point. Reduce some at 235 of 32. Yeah, let's see if we get a support around this level, which is your R1, R3 range also. Call, it's difficult to try here. Never try because it's in the air. And if you see this, it's not a good area to try a call. Put is against the market sentiment. So premium may not rise much. But Sensex is 175, 180 it came. This is coming good. Reduce some at 240. Keep this 130. Reduce some at 245. Yeah, yesterday, unlike usual, I added more quantity. But day before yesterday, we made almost 50,000 in the morning session with small quantities with good trades. But yesterday, a couple of stop losses, but quantity was higher. There was a good trade, but then these two, this breakdown trade, this one trapped. Quantity was also higher. So today I'll go with usual quantity. It was giving dips also, like at 200 EMA, it gave a dip, got a trade, but then again came to S3 and this reversal again not expected. Yeah, Chedo, this candle is not, it's good that you got 150 point, it's good. It's what, 250? Yeah, I just have the 65 only. Let's see if it can come here. That's what I'm looking at. Yeah, around this R1. R3 will be an area where we can look for an entry on the call side or gap fill. Looking at this, depending upon your risk appetite, R3 and gap fill. That is where 20 M is also there. This I have given 253. Yeah, I got 253. So that's a 30-point trade. I think ideally we should stop after the first trade. Mostly our first trade is successful. Yeah, this Sensex I'll try at around this level. 291 I've given. See this Sensex, we took an entry at 150, it's 270, 280. Yeah, 291 I got. 310 it went. Anyone got exited to 310? Now also it's 317. I reduced some at 320. How many of you gave that limit order, guys? 330 points we got in a flash. I'll give 329. So you see that trade in a flash entry at 921. In 14 seconds, we got 30 points, 290 to 320. Just 14 points. 14 seconds. Now it's 311. Let's see if we get 329. It will be great. It can give more, it looks like. If you get a bounce and close above this, it will be good. But it should have touched here, no? If it was touching here, that would have been a very good trade. It's 325 it came. I told you, Vinayak, in the opening itself, sentiment is slightly positive. So if you are trying a call, I'll try Sensex. And if I'm taking a put, I'll take on Nifty. Yeah, from 325, it's reversed to 288. Yeah, this is the level that I'm looking at to add more. Should I exit at cost and add later? It's okay, we'll hold. Since already booked some profits, partially booking is done, so it's okay. Yeah, if this level is breaking, then we'll have to wait for 20 MA. Because these days, that's the trend, right? You get a gap down opening, they're covering it up with a good bounce. And if you're getting a gap up opening, you're getting a sell off also. I got 329 as well. So look at this trade, effortless, easy trade. How many of you have given that limit order? So our trade started at 9:15, first a put trade, closed here. Hello? Huh. So this entry now, where is it now? 325. Done for the day? Yeah, guys, how many of you done for the day? How many of you got the limit order? Very small quantity. This is 390. This is 200. Half. Here we got 28, 30 points. Here we got 40 points. Now, no unnecessary trades. Today, normally we don't chase the breakdowns, right? Normally, like once we get good trades, but yesterday, despite this pivot, I tried again. I don't want to take such kind of risk today. Yeah, but see the way it bounced from here, right? Now it looks like it can go and even go to the high also. I won't be surprised. But the trend has been like this. You get a gap up and sold into. You get a gap down, you will get 100, 200 point bounce also. That is why if they are filling the gap, then it will be another good opportunity. Or even since it didn't touch R3, if it comes there, I'll try once again. In that case, this premium also will come to something like 260. Something which we already got at 290 around this level, right? Now it can be 260, 255 also. Yeah, I'll do one thing. If I get it at 258, it's a very good value buying in that option. Yeah, around this level. After that, if you get a dip to 20 MA, we'll see. If it is going up from here, I'll ignore it, leave it. We got the best of it already. Yeah, opening itself just 8 minutes. We got the put trade where we got Nifty almost 30 points, Sensex call side 40 points. Both side we got. But today we were flexible. Yesterday slightly bias was there on the put side. But I hope all of you have got this call trade, right? It was very good entry which we gave, limit order. And it didn't went below our price. The moment it hit this, in 14 seconds, we got 30 points. It never went below. The next tick after taking our trade I have seen is 308, 310. That itself was giving me confidence to hold slightly more. Yeah, we just got this only, but we got 40 points in Sensex. We got this much, but we got only 30 points in Nifty. That's the difference. Right? We got from here, right? From here, we got this almost till this. This is where we gave the limit order and exited when it came to R1. But we got 30 points. But upside only this candle, we got 40 points in Sensex. Yeah, first there was a trade that I've taken on Sensex. I thought Nifty and I've taken, but that I've taken at 153. and I closed at 139. Luckily, quantity was less. But see, where is it trading now? 287, 300. This one. Previously, when it came here, it was 290. Now it is 270. Look at the premium decay, guys. Put is above VWAP. അവർ 5 എത്തിയിട്ടുണ്ട് വെയിറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നു.